Hi, it's Splash! Tonight, let's learn how to wind down and get ready for a peaceful night's sleep.
The sun goes down, the sky turns blue. It's time to rest, my friend, and you too. A warm, cozy bath washes the day away. Bubbles float gently, goodbye to today. Soft, warm pajamas, snug and just right, ready for a peaceful, restful night. Brush, brush, brush before we sleep. Healthy teeth are ours to keep. Snuggle up close for a story so sweet. Dreams full of wonder, our eyes gently meet. Tucked in snug beneath the blanket's hold. A favorite friend to hug and hold. Good night, sweet friend. Close your eyes tight. Tomorrow brings sunshine. For now, good night. Bath time, pajamas, a story, then bed. That's how we rest our sleepy head. Sweet dreams, Bloop Town friends. See you again in the morning light. Good night.
If you learned something new tonight, give this video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more educational videos with Splash and Bloop Town.